everybody and welcome. So I'm really excited because, I mean, the ice cream beauty box we're unboxing. So I'm very excited about that. However, I am doing Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money with my cheeks, all right? And I just had my husband like, hey, do you notice anything different? Matte, sheen, shiny, whatever. And he did. Notice a little bit of a difference, but he literally had to stare. Like, so you guys notice anything? All right, so let me just give you a little sneaky peeky of what's to come, because if you're new here, welcome, hi, thanks for stopping by. I hope you decide to stick around. Welcome to the fam bam if you do. But if you're returning, y'all have requested Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money that I went ham sandwich hardcore in 2017, which really, like, I think my channel was known for. And you guys last year really were in my comment section going, Rhonda, please bring it back. And I have. And I have had so much fun finding new makeup to compare for you all. So I will tell you all that on my face is 7 products, okay? And one side is Amazon makeup. The other side is Charlotte Tilbury makeup. And let's just say 4 of the products that I used from Amazon pretty much don't even total one of the items that I have on my face from Charlotte Tilbury. So can you tell a difference? What side looks bougie, what side doesn't? I don't. Anywho, stay tuned. I do have to edit and everything. I'm gonna wear it the rest of the day. It's been on for a couple hours now. But anywho, we are jumping into the ice cream beauty box. Hopefully I can get this whip bam boomed and up for y'all today, which is Monday. So happy Monday. We're not going to talk about the Super Bowl. We're not going to talk about the Super Bowl, okay? That's that on that. It is a monthly subscription. I'm double checking the price because I want to say it's around $25. And it is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is a monthly subscription. It does say that they have a monthly bag, which I'm honestly not very familiar with, or they have the subscription box that is in fact $25. Code HOTMESS will save you like 10% off your first box. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that, but the nice thing with Ice Cream Beauty Box, y'all, is every month you are guaranteed a palette in this box. So I love that. So this is in fact the February box, just FYI, in case I forgot to tell you all, because I like to ramble. Anyways, oh, happy birthday Aquariuses. I get really excited about Aquarius. They're an air sign, just like me. Anyways, so this is the February box, and it says, I love you more. And then what I love is they've changed it up. So now each item is listed in here, retail value, as well as a little snippet of the products in here. I love that. I love to be able to tell you more about the products, because sometimes, a lot of the times, they're brands that are new to me. So how cute is this? Let me move this. We've got, is this makeup or is it candy? I don't know, but what is it? Let's open it and find out. Oh my gosh, this is so flipping cute. It is not candy. Look, I think it's an eyeshadow. Oh, it's a multi-chrome eyeshadow. Is it a loose powder? Oh, don't get it all over yourself, girl. Oh, snap. It is. That is really pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm sitting on my white rug. And I am Queen Clumsy. Okay. So, that is one of them. And here's the other one. Is there any more? Okay, so you do get 2 of those. I'm like wiping it all over my clothes. I think this is a really cute little packaging that they did. Now, I'll look up the brand here in a second. It's like Candy Chrome Illusion, maybe? Ooh, I'm not gonna open this one, but look how pretty. So, these are definitely gorgeous, and I love multi-chromes. So, a little information about them. Candy Chrome Loose Multi-Chrome Pigments by Shantico, maybe is how you say it, Beauty. They're $24. You get 2 of them for $24, so 12 a piece. They're multi-chrome pigments. They shift 3 to 4 colors depending on how the light hits them. That's very Pat McGrath. That is awesome. Adding the multi-chrome on top of light shades will create a different color effect than adding it on top of dark shades. Use a light hand to blend them out for a more subtle effect. So let me just give you, like, this so is like right up my alley. This reminds me of such Pat McGrath vibes. Now here, I got a question for some of y'all. So can you take, I feel like I should be asking Haley this too. Can you take a loose pigment like this and press it and make it an eyeshadow pan? Like push it into an eyeshadow pan and press it and make it? Will it lose its multi-chrome? I don't know. I just know that I'm very clumsy and I would be very afraid of dropping these, but I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And I love the packaging. I thought it was candy. I got a little excited, I'm not gonna lie. All right, next in here, we've got the Marabella Undressed. Ooh, okay, so I think this is a palette for sure. Now, that was one of the things, is I'd never heard of Marabella before. I think some of y'all said it's actually sold at like a cosmetic, at like a cosmetology place. So this is what it looks like. It's in a plastic type of case. This is really cute. How do you, ooh, okay. Okay, so I feel like a lot of people are gonna love this because it's your neutrally type of tone with like a smidge of a pop of a color. That is really pretty. And then you've got a highlight right here in the center. So could you use, no, those are really pretty. I do feel like I've received something from Ice Cream Beauty Box in the past, kind of similar in color story, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put this one in a giveaway. Ice Cream Beauty Box, by the way, did send this subscription over to me, so thank you so much for including me on that. I definitely appreciate it. And then on the back you do have the names of everything as well, but this is really nice. And I feel like the color story is definitely a good color story for like an everyday type of look, especially if you work in the office or what have you. I think that you're really gonna like it. And I really want to touch it, but I'm like trying to be less selfish and not keep everything and just, you know, give to you guys. So anywho, a little information about this Marabella palette. It does say it has a retail value of $50. It creates an array of stunning looks with these 8 long wear shadows featuring a balance of shimmer and mattes and the luminous highlighter for a 360-degree total face. Used in sculpting and illuminating face, cheeks, and eyes. So that is really nice. Next in here, oh my gosh, how cute. Speaking of Pat McGrath, does that not look like one of the little Pat McGrath thingies? The lip glosses? Is this what that is? It is. It's almost like it's a dupe. I don't own the Pat McGrath, but this is a lip gloss and this shade is right up my alley. So let's see how this works here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It's like, aww. Ooh. I always get confused. I'm like, is that Martha's candle or is that the product? I think it's the product. It's not got like a really strong scent at all. This is really cute. And this would be perfect to just chuck into your purse as well. I like that. What's the name of it? Rave. Which I know I already had other stuff on, but it's fine. So then this says, what brand is this? A Heart of Gold gloss by Muse Cosmetics. Does have a $5 retail value and it's a lip gloss. And then next in here we've got a set of tools, which I know I'm stocked up, so I'm gonna share these with you all because these look like really nice brushes. What brand are these? It's a 3-piece brush set by IBY Beauty, which is really nice. $32 retail value. You've got a contour brush. You also have a multitasking brush and then a fan brush. You know what? This brush is gonna be great when you set underneath your eyes, like with a light powder. This, as it said, a nice little contour type of brush. You could probably use it for foundation as well. And then, you remember when these were big back in like 2015, 2017 to do your highlight? Everybody was using the fan brushes for highlights. Now I honestly use a brush that pretty much looks like this for my highlight. So I think these are really pretty. They're like a rose gold, kind of color, so that is pretty. And then the last item in here is by Dragon Lash. Oh, it's a semi-permanent mascara by Queen? Q-U-V-Veen? I don't know. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to open it because you only have like 3 months when it comes to mascara. So I want to say we've actually gotten this before in a different subscription. I could be wrong on that. This mascara does have a retail value of $18, and it says it's a semi-permanent high gloss black tubing mascara. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, this tubing mascara contains polymers that will wrap around your lashes, creating tubes, which means they're really easy to come off. And don't freak out when you are taking this off in the shower or whatever. You literally will go like this, and it will look like you have your eyelash in your fingers, but I promise you, you don't. The first time I ever tried one was Blink Eye Mascara. Came in a BoxyCharm, I don't know, 2016 or something, and I panicked. And then I think it was like Kathleen Lights or somebody was like, no, don't ever worry, guys. When you wash your lashes, it comes off looking like a tube. It'll be fine. That was some fierce ice making there. Go refrigerator. So that is everything in this $25 box. Under that, if you do use code HOTMESS, if you guys want, I'm gonna go ahead and have fun and tally the total for y'all. So once again, it's gonna be under $24 for your first box if you do use my code. If not, it's cost you $25. And everything in here did come to a total of $129. I personally feel like for $25, you're getting a good box. I really appreciate when subscriptions really think things through. Like, they gave us a neutral type of eyeshadow palette and a really pretty like lip gloss to go with it. Now, I've seen some people make comments like, why didn't we get a deeper lip shade? Yeah, I'm not that person. I just don't wear deep dark colors on my lips hardly ever. So I like that, you know. For me, I would rather like smoke out my eyes with this palette, which you're definitely going to be able to do, versus like draw attention to my lips. Does anybody else do that? I don't know. Anyways, then of course you got the mascara, and then the cool thing is it's not just a neutral palette. You have options with these multi-chromes, and this is where I feel like Ice Cream Beauty Box really put in thought with these multi-chromes with this neutral palette. Because for me personally, when I am playing with colors like this, I literally will always grab my OFRA Cosmetics palette that I did with them during Project Influencer last year, because it has all the neutral shades in there that you want, and then you can do these fun colors with it. And to me, I mean, it even says you could use a light shade as your base and then pop one of these over top, or you could go and use the darker shade and pop one of those multi-chromes over top. So this, to me, in my opinion, was the perfect palette to put with this multi-chrome, because if you want your eyes to pop, you're definitely gonna get it with these multi-chromes. So I say good job to Ice Cream Beauty Box. They really put some thought into this curation, and I appreciate that. I really do. So anyways, thank you again to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending this box over my way. You guys make sure to stay tuned, because I set a goal for myself to at least upload 2 Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money for you all videos. Not sure that was a complete total sentence, but a month, 2 videos a month of Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money. And so far I've done it. I've actually done more than that, so if I keep that up, I'm definitely gonna. Stay tuned so you can figure out how to save yourself on some of that Charlotte Tilbury if you want or not. Did you guys decide what side you think is what? Anyways, stay tuned. Huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, and you choose to, and I appreciate every single one of you all. You guys are absolutely the best. And of course, check me out on my other channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, and Hot Mess in the Kitchen, because I have to cook for my fam bam, even though I don't like to cook, but DoorDash is too expensive and inflation is kicking my booty. So anywho's, check my description box down below if you do want to sign up for Ice Cream Beauty Box. And of course, the makeup I have on my face won't be down there because you gotta stay tuned. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!